What's up, Internet? This is the 84th Wolf.
And I'm Sarah Melly.
And welcome back to Wolf Watches. Today we have episode 4 of RWBY Chibi, Volume 3, Grimm Passengers. Spelled with the Grimm variation. Yeah. So, how does that work?
I'm assuming it's going to be... Wait, you mean, what do you think the episode's
Yeah, I mean, it sounds like there's going to be Grimm in a car.
Yeah, on a train or something.
Yeah.
That's what
I'm just wondering how, who, and whatever. I'm very confused, but at the same time, I'm really excited.
I would like to see some Grimm talk.
Alright, well, let's see if we get our wishes. So, here we go.
Man, Marty, I feel like an idiot.
You immediately got your wish.
Mike, trust me. Humans will believe
Mark
anything.
and Mike.
Oh, here comes some now. Quick, get in character. Hey there! I'm just a human dude. Me too.
Okay.
I'm also a people.
Right. We took a wrong turn. Do you guys know where the bank is?
Sure. We can show you the way. All you have to do is let us in.
That is a super hard pass. Nice try, human dudes.
I told you it wouldn't work, Marty. Of course not. You came on too strong. Ugh, I'm just so hungry for
They look like
violence and evil.
hipsters.
Oh, here comes another car. Be cool this time?
Hi there, boys. Can I offer you a lift? I've got... candy?
Hey, isn't that... Shh, don't ruin this for us. She's got candy. We love a ride!
My nefarious scheme is going
This actually
exactly as
happened in
planned.
episode 1, I think.
What a coincidence.
Oh, yeah?
So
Like,
is
she
ours.
picked up a couple of people.
Wait a minute. Rangy dingoes! How do I keep running into such losers?
So you guys want to share a taxi car?
That sounds reasonable.
No!
No! Absolutely not.
John, you're stupid.
Come on, Weiss. I need to pick up my new coat from the tailor.
Or so it seems.
God, I hate
You know,
these jokes.
come to think of it, I actually do need some new boots.
Yeah, one of those isn't. Right.
That was good.
Oh, right, as in right foot.
That wasn't even punny.
She does have a point.
I mean, I love these characters, but I want to punch them for these.
Okay, that's all I can take now.
I agree with Blake.
I guess she just wasn't feline it.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That was perfect.
Literally.
Hello, everyone. We have a lot of fun here on RWBY Chibi, but one thing's for certain, and that's that puns are no laughing matter. If you or someone you care about is known to use puns, please seek professional help. It's never too late to change.
I agree.
And then the world exploded.
Robert Dunkelman's head just... Oh my god. So, that was funny and painful to watch.
I just feel like it was more painful for me. Buns are my kryptonite.
Yeah, I mean, once in a while they're good. Not in quick succession. Alright. Well, that was great. I hope they lay off the puns.
No.
No, they're not going to. Alright. Well, that wraps up episode 4 of RWBY Chibi Season 3, Grimm Passengers. And, I mean,
Yeah, it's not bad.
it wasn't a bad episode. I think I liked the previous one a little bit more. But not just because of all the painful things. But anyway, we'll put this up, and next week will be episode 5, whichever one that will be. What could they get into trouble next?
I don't even want to think about it.
What Chibi characters haven't we seen? We haven't seen Raven. We haven't seen a Salem, but I don't know if if they'll ever use a Salem Chibi.
I don't know.
That'd be interesting.
They used Talking Grimm.
They did use Talking Grimm. We'll just have to see. It's a big question, but I would really like to see a Raven Chibi. I think that'd be cute. Alright, but until next time, this is the 84th Wolf.
I'm City of Melody.
We'll see you guys next time.